Hi everyone. In the previous sessions, we discussed about input statements. In this session, we will talk about operators. So let's start. So basically, what are operators? So operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. And variables you already know about, what are those variables. So basically, a equals to, if I will assign a value is equals to 10, that means this will be called as a value and this will be called as a variable. So what is this particular thing? This particular thing will be called as an operator which performs some operation, a unit operation. We can just say that a unit operation. Here, what operation it will going to perform? Like this particular value will going to assign value 10 to the variable a. So this will be called as a assignment operator. So there are multiple types of operators will be there that I will tell you in the next stage. But currently we have to understand that what are the operators. So basically this will be kind of doing a one kind of operation which is going to be assign a single value to a variable a. That means this is a assignment operator which assigns a value. That means it will doing a unit operations, performing a unit operations. So basically in the example, like I will show you the example, we use the plus operator to add together two values. I will show you the example in the PyCharm. So basically if I have defined here 5 and b equals to 8, what I will do, I will take a variable sm is equals to a plus b. Suppose simple basic example, I am going to find out the sum of two particular variables, and here I am going to print that particular variable. Sum is that's it, and sm. Here I'm going to just print that particular sum of a plus b. So a value is 5 and b value is 8. So what I'm going to do here, if I am performing a plus b, that means the processor will fetch the a variable's value plus and the b variable's value, and then it will going to do the plus operation. I mean add those particular that a value and the b value, that is 5 plus 8 is 13. So what it will do is it will just add up those value and just it will going to assign those value. That means here we are doing two kinds of operation, two units of operation. First it will doing the add up and then assign the value, that summation value, to the sm variable. So two kinds of operation: addition, I mean the arithmetic operator, and we are going to take the assignment operator to assign the value to the sm variable. So let's check out the answer here. It will going to print out the value as sum is 13. Like, yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is the basic operation we have to understand from the memory perspective. For it will going to fetch the a value, and then it will be going to fetch the b value, and then finally it will going to find out the addition of those two particular value and assigning back. That means in this particular same line it will performing the two particular simple unit operation. First it will be called as the summation operation, I mean the addition, which will be called as arithmetic operator, that is plus, and then later on after addition whatever is the value will be there, that will be going to assign with the help of assignment operator. Okay, so this is a simple basic example where we have understand that, what is operator. So operator is basically, again I repeat, operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. So in this session we have learned about like what are the basic operator, I mean like what is operators and why we have used that. So basically if I am talking about one more question, if I am talking about like how many variables I have used in this same program, then we can say that first operator is to assign the value to a, second operator equals to operator which will be used for the assigning the value to b, and here I am going to take two variables. First is to summation of the two variables, and then the fourth variable, fourth assignment operator which will be going to assign the value of the summation to the sm. That means first, second, and this is third, and this is the fourth operators I have used here in this program. Okay, so in the next lecture I will tell you about what are the different types of operators. So see you in the next one.